fantastic. First day of workout was great for me. I burned a lot of energy and it felt good.
How do you feel about the boxing?
It feels good. It's very intense. Keeps you going, keeps you motivated. It keeps you burning calories. It makes your heart beat really fast, and it feels good at the end of the day.
Great. Steve did awesome with boxing, so I'm looking forward to tomorrow with you.
Awesome. So what are your goals this challenge?
I need to lose a couple pounds for my half marathon, which is in November, so I am very positive that you guys will help me get there.
Little Melly, and I'm the first day of the challenge.
How did you like the boxing?
I liked it. I think it was fun. It was intense, but it was pretty good.
Good. Are you excited for the rest of the challenge?
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.